All right, hi boys and girls. Welcome to another week. This week you're going to be using your tree map that you made last week about the animal you chose to make your writing pieces. So this was my tree map on the first day. I took notes about what caterpillars look like because that was the animal that Miss Moreau and I chose to research about. I'm going to be using this to help me in my writing. Okay, so I already drew a picture of what caterpillars look like, and I'm going to talk about and write about some of their features. So last week I read about and took notes that they have antennas. Some caterpillars have stripes, some have spots, some are fuzzy or furry. They could be different colors, so I already drew a picture to show those things. I'm going to be labeling now, since we learned about that last week. So I'm going to take my pen and I can label what these are. Okay, so I drew an arrow to here and then I can write the words and 10 up. So I'm just going to say it slowly and try to write the sounds I hear. I'm going to make another label for this over here. I could say it's fuzzy. I'm going to label over here spots, spot, and this one has stripes. After I labeled my picture, I wrote some of my words out to describe what caterpillars look like. So I wrote caterpillars have 2 antennas. They have 6 true legs. Some caterpillars have stripes and some have spots. Caterpillars can be fuzzy or smooth. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to use your tree map from last week and you're going to make a picture with labels and write about what your animal looks like.